Hello everyone, I am Ashwin Dang and welcome back to Mythorama. Today we're going to talk about Odin, who was a prominent god in Norse mythology. Many pantheons of deities all feature a singular god that acts as a king and a leader to the other gods. In Norse mythology, this god was Odin. Odin was known by many names: the one eyed god, the wanderer, the all father. Because Odin was an important figure in religions of various Germanic people for centuries and he was represented differently, he is known by over 200 names. In Norse mythology, Odin is associated with war, death, royalty, wisdom, knowledge, sorcery, and poetry. Odin has an ancestry of both Jotuns, which are giants, and Aesir, which are ice people. It is said that Odin created the world after he slayed Ymir, the first Jotun. From Ymir's body, he created the nine realms, including the realm of Midgard, which is Earth, as well as the realm of Asgard, which was Odin's realm, where he could watch over his creations. He even created humans and other species to inhabit and populate the realms he had created. Odin was married to Frigg, who was said to know the fate of all but couldn't say anything. Odin also fathered a number of children, and even though the number is unknown, famously his children include Thor, the god of thunder, and Baldur, the god of light. While they were not real family, Odin also had a blood brother, Loki, who was a Jotun known for being a trickster. Odin would often walk amongst humans in the disguise of an old wanderer, testing the hospitality and generosity of those he visited. He also had two ravens, Hugin and Munin, who traveled the world daily to provide him with the worldly happenings, keeping him informed and thus giving him the name Raven God. Odin relentlessly pursued wisdom and knowledge and was willing to sacrifice much for these pursuits. Once, Odin went to the world tree, Yggdrasil, and hung himself from it for 9 days to learn the secrets of runic letters. These runes contained much power, and with their magic, he became the wisest and mightiest being in the cosmos. However, this was not enough for Odin, and from his throne he spied on the realm of the Jotuns. There he noticed that there was one very wise Jotun who controlled the Lake of Wisdom, where one of Yggdrasil's roots ended. The giant drank water from the lake every day, and he became ever wiser. Odin went to the giant and asked for a single drink from the lake, to which the giant agreed, but only if Odin shared the vision he saw with him. Odin drank water from the lake and promptly plucked out an eye and gave it to the giant, thus fulfilling the terms of the giant as well as gaining in wisdom. From then on, he had only one eye, but was truly the wisest of the wise. Over the years, however, things went astray between Loki and Odin, and their bonds of friendship were broken. This, along with many other factors, led to the events of Ragnarok, which is said to be the end of the world. Thank you all so much for listening to my podcast and to the third episode of Mythorama. Stay tuned for more because I'm going to be releasing more and more podcasts, including the mythology of Ragnarok as well. Also, make sure to check out the previous podcasts that have been uploaded. These include the mythologies of Hercules as well as Lord Ganesha. Also, I would like to say that I have published a book called Mythorama on Amazon, and I would really appreciate it if you guys checked it out. Thank you so much for taking the time to listen, and I'll see you next time.